Bullish Floki and U cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0, $0 2030. Market investigators accept FLOKI could reach $0 2025. Bearish Floki and U market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Floki and U presentation. Floki and U is an image-based cryptographic money made as a fork of Shiba Inu in August 2020. The undertaking means to turn into the most memed crypto resource. FLOKI is an ERC20 token based on the Ethereum blockchain. How does Floki and U function? FLOKI tokens are utilized to remunerate clients for partaking in the Floki environment. For instance, clients can procure FLOKI by making or arranging images, posting them via virtual entertainment, or partaking in administration exercises like deciding on recommendations or marking coins on the organization. The Floki and U group intends to utilize the assets raised through the offer of the cash to foster a decentralized monetary environment in light of the Ethereum blockchain. The group is likewise dealing with fostering a college called Floki College, which will offer seminars on the best way to exchange and put resources into cryptographic forms of money. Financial backers keen on purchasing Floki and U ought to explore prior to putting away any cash. While the money has seen a great deal of progress up to this point, there is no assurance that it will keep on ascending in esteem. Digital currency markets are extremely unstable, and costs can go up or down quickly. How is the Floki and U network gotten? The Floki and U organization is essentially gotten utilizing two distinct kinds of tokens, an ERC20 token on Ethereum and a BEP20 token on Binance Savvy Chain. These tokens cooperate to give security to the organization by guaranteeing that main approved clients can get to the organization and that all information is sufficiently scrambled. The ERC20 token is utilized to distinguish approved network clients and track their movement. The BEP20 token encodes all information put away on the organization, making it unavailable to unapproved clients. Together, these two tokens give an elevated degree of safety for the Floki and U organization. Floki and U current cost. Floki and U is as of now worth $0. FLOKI has moved 4.42% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,587,761. Floki and U is as of now positioned 506 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $0 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Floki and U to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Floki and U market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Floki and U value forecast 2022. Floki and U, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The FLOKI cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. FLOKI is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Floki and U value expectation 2023. In 2023, Floki and U FLOKI cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of FLOKI will before long outperform $0. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the FLOKI's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, FLOKI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Floki and U value forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. FLOKI might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. FLOKI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Floki and U value expectation 2025. Assuming Floki and U effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the FLOKI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, FLOKI will be green in 2025. The FLOKI is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Floki and U value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, We gauge the FLOKI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026 with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, FLOKI has a most extreme value worth of $0. Floki a new value expectation 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. In the event that FLOKI figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help FLOKI needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Floki a new value expectation 2028. While FLOKI is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. Floki a new value forecast 2029. By 2029, Floki and U will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Floki a new value expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest FLOKI cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And the FLOKI cost is supposed to keep on expanding before very long as an ever-increasing number of individuals find out about and embrace cryptographic money. While there will without a doubt be some unpredictability en route, the drawn-out pattern appears to be clear. Floki and U is a venture with much potential, and its cost will mirror that in the years to come. Financial backers ought to watch out for Floki and U. It has every one of the vital elements for progress, areas of strength for a very much planned item, and an enthusiastic local area. On the off chance that it can keep executing on its guide, there's not a great explanation for why Floki and U ought not be one of the top performing digital currencies in the years to come. Obviously, no venture is without risk. Digital forms of money are famously unpredictable, and, surprisingly, the most encouraging ventures can suddenly come up short. Nonetheless, for those able to stomach the high points and low points of this youthful market, Floki and U seems to be an exceptionally appealing venture and open door. What is the Floki and U cost today? Today, Floki and U is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $0. Is Floki and U a wise venture? Floki and U ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that FLOKI is a decent decision of speculation. How high might Floki and U at any point go? The typical cost of Floki and U might potentially reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Floki and U might outperform $0. What amount will Floki and U be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising notoriety of digital money and Floki and U, a drawn-out interest in FLOKI could see the value ascend to $0 the following 5 years. What amount will Floki